This is not go. Keep them together. We got a clean start. Randy already rubbing down there on that front right tire. Body rubbing bad. All right, that's going to move Butch up to first. Jerid second. Mike right there in third. Calvin going on the outside. Trying to catch up right there and get up to Mike for third. Randy in fifth. Butch takes it a little sideways and runs right over Randy because he goes sideways in the corner. All right. That's going to change things up. That's going to put Jerid in the lead. Mike right there behind him. Calvin took it over from Butch. Butch just took it back with a little contact from Calvin. Randy in fifth. Battle right there between that goldish, silverish, flakish, I don't know-ish car and the black and gunmetal. Right there. Battle for first and second. Coming up on you, Calvin.
3 minutes
first and
left.
Second. Okay. Jerid got a little greedy. Got up in his butt. That's going to allow Mike to jump out there and take the lead. Now you got a battle right here between Jerid and Butch for second. About a straightaway distance between them. Butch makes it around Calvin. Gets some breathing room. Gets to take a long, deep breath. We got Mike on a 42.4 flat. Jerid 41.401. Butch 44.02. Calvin 37.403. Randy 32.4 flat. Fast lap of the race right now by Mike 5.744. SC Modified, you are next. Richard, Diane, Tyler, y'all are next. We got Mike, Jerid, Butch, Calvin, Randy. Jerid and Butch, same lap, but about half a lap between them. That's your closest battle on the field right there. A little bit closer battle right there between Mike and Jerid. Jerid about a straightaway behind Mike. Butch about a straightaway behind Jerid. Calvin and Randy just taking up breathing room. All right, Mike's still holding that fast up of the race of 5.744. Mike, Jerid, and Butch, the only one in the 5.7s currently. Everybody else above 6 flat. Mike bring that time down a little bit to a 41.4 flat. 3 seconds behind him is Jerid. A little contact down here in 1. Butch going to get the good end of it and get away from Randy. But he's still coming for you. Jerid coming up behind Calvin and takes it a little bit in too hard. And
1 minute
Calvin's
left.
got that heavy A car. 1 minute to go, guys. Closest battle on the field now. That's going to tighten it up between Butch and Jerid. A little bit. Butch took it over from Jerid.
45 seconds left.
Jerid about almost a straightaway behind him. A little less than a straightaway. Butch having to do with Calvin right on his tail. Now he has to come up right there back behind Randy.
30 seconds left.
Good line, Randy, when you went high for Butch. That was good. 25 seconds to go. Still got Butch and Jerid, the closest battle on the field, about a straightaway left. You got 20 seconds to make something happen, Jerid. You got to get away from that car. The last 2 times you've been in contact with that maroon car, you've got the bad end of the stick. There it goes. Calvin knows better. Every time you touch him, you're gone. 4 seconds. Get around that line. Butch is going to claim it safe for that second spot. Mike going to take the win with the 41.402.
All drivers are finished.
Butch is going to take second, 44.01. Jerid in third, 40.402. Just a second behind him. Calvin in fourth at 37.402. And Randy, fifth, 35.406.
The race is
SC
completed.
Modifieds, you are up.